In this video we are going to discuss fire tube boiler. In a fire tube boiler, the flue gases flow through the tubes and water flows over the tubes. They are also called the smoke tube boilers or Scotch boilers. In a fire tube boiler, flue gas is produced by combustion of fuel. Flue gas flows through fire tubes, which are surrounded by water. The heat from the flue gas is transferred to water and steam is generated. Fire tube boilers are low-pressure boilers ranging up to 7 bar. In fire tube boilers, the flue gases from the combustion chamber pass through the tubes to the uptake. The water surrounding the tubes are heated for steam generation. The main components of a fire tube boiler are shell, end plates, furnace, combustion chamber, tubes and stays. Shell is the outer plating of the boiler. Depending on the availability of space, the shell may be arranged vertically or horizontally. Furnace is an enclosed space provided for fuel combustion. Pressure acts on the outside circumference and full length of the furnace. Stiffening plates or corrugations are used to provide additional strength, higher endurance, and longitudinal flexibility. They prevent furnace collapse and increase heat transfer area. Adjacent to the furnace is the combustion chamber. The combustion of fuel starts in the furnace and is completed in the combustion chamber. Tube plates are fitted at both ends of the tubes and are exposed to the boiler pressure. They hold the tubes in position. Fire or smoke tubes carry flue gases from combustion chamber to boiler uptake. They support the boiler front tube plate and combustion chamber front plate. Steam space stay tubes provide support to the front and back plating of the boiler. The front and back plates is made of individual steel plates with welded cross seams. Combustion chamber stays provide support front and back plating of the combustion chamber. The front and back plates are made of individual steel plates with welded cross seams. Refractory protect the boiler shell from overheating and distortion. Waterside deposits can cause overheating and result in furnace distortion.